U.S. stocks settled higher on Tuesday. The Dow Industrials and S&P 500 gained for the third consecutive session in a row. The Dow tacked on 0.2% to settle at 15,530. The S&P 500 added 0.4% to settle above 1,700. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq gained 0.75% to close at its best level in 13 years. All eyes are on the Federal Reserve ahead of Wednesday's rate announcement. The central bank is expected to taper at the conclusion of its two-day meeting. The Fed is expected to scale back purchases by about $10 to $15 billion a month. Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke will also be holding a news conference on Wednesday afternoon. Meanwhile, President Obama emphasized his stance on a debt ceiling extension. Obama warned Republicans that he will not negotiate over an extension. Taking a look at U.S. data releases, August CPI edged up by just 0.1% as energy costs fell. The NAHB reported that its Home Builder Sentiment Index was unchanged in September. The reading comes on the heels of 4 consecutive months of gains. Companies making headlines on Tuesday included Microsoft. Shares advanced as Microsoft lifted its dividend by 22% to 28 cents a share. The tech giant also announced a $40 billion share buyback program. And Boeing shares hit a new record high on Tuesday. The 787-8 took its first flight today, the latest version of the plane. And after the closing bell, Adobe Systems reported earnings. Its fiscal third quarter profit slid 59%. Sales as well as profit in the latest quarter may have posted a miss, but Creative Cloud subscriptions soared. Shares rose 5% immediately after results were released.